Getting to know yourself better involves self-reflection, self-awareness, and of course, introspection. One way to start is by spending time alone in quiet, journaling your thoughts and feelings, and identifying your values, beliefs, and of course, your strengths. Engaging in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment can also provide insights into your preferences and, of course, your passions. Seeking feedback from trusted friends, family members, or even mentors can offer an outside perspective on your character and your behaviors. Additionally, exploring new experiences, challenging yourself, and stepping out of your comfort zone can help you discover new aspects of yourself and what you are capable of. Embracing self practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular exercise can also promote self awareness and a deeper understanding of your needs and desires.